This was a design that we created for a German magazine. This is a magazine that is distributed in pharmacies here in Germany. So the first thing I noticed is that the two A's need adjustment. So first, the A in Danke feels too wide. If I would have to do this A again, I would do it a little bit narrower so that also the N that right now is looking rather narrow can gain some space, can be a little bit wider. Of course, the A or the N are not naturally too wide or too narrow. You can notice whether they are too narrow or too wide by comparing them with the letter forms around them. Another thing that I would change is that this A is kind of leaning forward. Can you see that? How it's kind of falling to the front. And that is because this line, the axis of the A, is sitting perpendicular in relation to the baseline, which is where all the letter forms are sitting. And in order to make it look like it's not falling forward, this line needs to be a little bit tilted. If I would have to do this design again, I would definitely make this A lean a little bit backwards so that it looks straight. If I would do that, I would probably have to do the same with the S and have it leaning towards the A little bit more so that it looks straight. And the last adjustment I would do is to the T right up here. So what I would do is to make one of the serifs of the T be a little bit more curved so that it follows or recreates the curve of the wavy line. If I will have to design this again, I would definitely add a bit more curve to the top of that serif so that the T looks a little bit more dynamic, which is exactly what was done here with the set. The set has this extra whoosh that imitates the shape of the wave right here, and that makes it look a lot more dynamic. So I'm curious, which other things do you notice? What would you change if you were to design this again?